Entering Kim's verse of reverie and fragmentation is not easy, nor even at times comfortable, but do. Her initial poems in this collection are the most abstracted, broken, even incomprehensible, but soon enough, we see what she's about. And the collection as a whole, The Commons, becomes a terrifying package of traumatic memory, of identity torn apart, of horror that we hope to unimagine. The more readers and speakers struggle for coherence or clarity, the more the poem resists, tempting us with a more complete meaning, even while, as we see it slowly emerge, we know it's far better to tuck it back away. This is indeterminacy and ambiguity done right, poems that reveal as much as our consciousness can attend, but never what humanity will truly visit upon itself. The worst of it lives in the white spaces of the page. Here are a few excerpts from her work. Foods cast off from one culture become the fetish foods of another. L. B. Speaker. There will be misery in the years of greed. The world will become small and humiliated. What is holdered are the persimmons. What is shelled are the chestnut. Bloom, already in mark, so that it were a bloom steeped in increments, marks, as were scars. Deterge, to wash off or out, to clear away. Shun, nestle, ravenous, seal, ash, gust. Lifts up his burning, a stranger now, a stranger in my clean head.